All right, so let's make this super practical. Before you hit publish on your next post, your next video, your next anything, I want you to just pause for a second. Use this next question as a quick gut check to make sure you're actually building authority, not just adding to the noise.
This is it, the ultimate test, the 5-post audit. I mean it. Go look back at your last 5 posts right now. Is there a clear, repeating signal? Does a story start to emerge about who you are and what makes you different? If the answer is kinda or not really, well, now you know exactly what to work on. It's not about posting more, it's about making every single post matter.